Welcome back. Today we're going to make homemade chicken and dumplings. Our ingredients are 8 cups of chicken broth, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of diced chicken, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt divided, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 4 tablespoons of butter, ice water, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste. You will also need a rolling pin, a work surface, and some extra flour for your surface. We're going to start by heating up our broth. This is a homemade broth that I made while cooking a whole chicken. And I did have to supplement with a box of broth because I didn't have quite 8 cups. But this is a combination. We're going to add our butter to the broth. And a teaspoon of salt. Just stir that around, incorporate it. Okay, I've stirred my butter in and salt. It's all melted and incorporated. We're going to move on to the dumplings. Now we'll start making the dough. First, we're going to add the flour, the salt. I'm going to mix that around. Now we're going to slowly start adding the ice water. And you're just going to add enough till the flour starts to form a dough consistency. You can see it's starting to clump up, but we're not quite there. You want to get most of the flour incorporated, but if you start to get a nice dough forming and there's a little bit of flour left in the bottom, that's okay. We can use that to flour your surface. I'm going to add water one more time. And your dough is starting to get shaggy is the term that's used. And it's time to turn it out onto our floured work surface. Okay, I'm gonna take my spatula out and go to working this with my hands. And we're gonna move it on. I've floured my work surface and my rolling pin. So we're gonna move it here. So now I've got the dough on a work surface. Just gonna fold it over until I feel like the dough is consistently mixed throughout. Make sure we've got and now we're going to roll it out. You want this to roll out to about 1/8 thickness, 1/8 of an inch. And if you feel it sticking, just get a little more of the flour on your rolling pin. Okay, I'm about at a 1/8 thickness. So now I'm going to cut my dumplings. You can cut the dumplings with a knife or a tool that is used for pasta. I'm going to use a bench scraper And I'm just going to go in little strips. And now I'm just going to go down the middle. Okay, my dumplings are cut and ready to go. I have my broth boiling, so I'm just going to add them in, just a couple at a time. Okay, I've added all the dumplings in over a medium medium heat, and I'm going to turn this down to a simmer and let them cook, cover them and let them cook for just a few minutes. Okay. Our dumplings have been simmering for about 5 minutes. We'll give them a stir. And we're going to go ahead and add our chicken in. And the onion powder. We'll mix this around, and we're going to let this go another few minutes, and we'll check the dumplings to see how they're coming along. Okay, our dumplings have simmered for about 25 minutes. They've softened up, the chicken is incorporated and warmed. We're just going to turn the heat off. We're going to add the parsley in and just stir that through. And I tasted it just a moment ago, and the flavor was good, but you could add some salt and pepper here at the end if needed. And we're ready to plate. So here are the chicken and dumplings. It's a good fall recipe. Keep on cooking, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.